Now let's talk about slip and slide edits. These are two more types of trimming that allow us to change the content and the position of our shots within the sequence. Let's take a look at this clip right here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click F, which stands for Match Frame. This will open up the clip in my source window, and you can see that the frames currently match. This clip has an in point and an out point. What we're going to do is we're going to choose a different portion of this clip to show. Remember that the slip tool will allow you to slip the clip's source in and out points, but it doesn't move it on the timeline. If we go ahead and select the slip tool, the keyboard shortcut for this is Y, and I position my slip tool over this clip. As soon as I click down and begin to drag, in the program window, it will show us a preview of what the new in point is going to look like and what the new out point is going to look like. So as long as you have handle material, you're able to use the slip tool to change the in and out points of the clip. So I like this a little bit better. I'm going to release my mouse, and now we've just made a slight adjustment to what portion of this clip is now going to show in our timeline. Using the slip tool will change the shot's content, but it doesn't change its position or duration. In addition to being able to trim using the slip tool, we also have something called the slide tool. The slide tool allows us to work with our clips pulled up on the monitor, but the slide tool is going to work by sliding a clip on the timeline. It keeps the source in and out points, but it will slide the clip and put it in a new location. If we use the slide tool and I come to this clip right here, what we can do is we can go ahead and change the shot's position, but not its content or duration. It will change adjacent shots, either lengthening or shortening their duration. It's like you take a clip that you want to move and you move it, and the other clips are going to slide around to accommodate it. So if we take this clip and we move to the left, you will see that the two surrounding clips are going to be affected. The one on the left is going to get longer, and the one on the right is going to get shorter. This adjustment will only work if the adjacent clips have enough handle material for you to be able to make these sorts of adjustments. Now, because we've already dialed in our sequence, I'm going to do undo, since that is not something I want to do in this particular case. But I did want to show you how the slide tool works, as it can be very helpful in certain situations. As you can see, slipping and sliding shots are a nice way to efficiently change a shot's content or its position. You just need to remember that in order to take advantage of these two tools, you will need to have handle material so that you have extra video to work with.